we need to be strategic about how we do that. So, what I want to talk to you about now is how to find and eliminate what I call money leaks in a business. This is a process that I have been speaking about for, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 years, probably now. The money leaks process and actually how to identify and eliminate those money leaks in your business. So, what I want you to do is you're going to have to set aside some time, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, but I promise you this exercise is worth that time sacrifice. So, what I want you to do is gather together all your business, bank, and credit card statements, PayPal statements, wherever business spending is happening and has happened over the last 12 months. I want you to gather together all those statements. And I'm going to describe this exercise as if you have pen and paper, but you can do this electronically with CSV downloads as well. I don't want you to scrimp and only do 2 months or 3 months. Please, please do 12 months worth and gather it all together. And then you can, if you're doing this on paper, grab your red pen and your highlighter